Hello, students. I am Purushottam Vishwakarma, and today we are going to discuss about question and answer of the little girl. Here, first of all, we'll discuss long answer questions, and then after short answer along with very short answer questions. So let's see the very first question. The very first question that we have: how did Kezia make a pin cushion for her father? केजिया ने अपने पापा के लिए एक पिन कुशन कैसे बनाया? आंसर: Kezia's grandmother advised her to make a pin cushion for her father. On his birthday, she made it out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. She wanted something to fill it with. She found some sheets of paper lying on the bed table. She tore them up and filled in the pin cushion. This is your solution. Next question. In what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? केजिया की दादी उसको बार बार कहा करती थी, जाओ अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करो, मम्मी पापा से बात करो। तो किस तरह से वो कहती थी, क्या कहा करती थी? योर आंसर इज: ऑन संडे आफ्टरनून्स केजिया's grandmother sent her to her father's room to have a nice talk with him. Besides, she asked her to make gift of pincushion on her father's birthday. Next question. Why was Kezia's father to be feared and avoided? What did she think of him? केजिया अपने पापा के बारे में क्या सोचती थी, और वो क्यों उसके पापा उसके लिए एक ऐसे फिगर थे जो अवॉइड किया जाना था या जिनसे बचना था, जिससे डर लगता था उसको? लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. For Kezia, her father was a figure to be feared and avoided. No doubt, Kezia responded his casual kiss with goodbye father. However, she felt relieved when her father disappeared along the road. In the evening, he would ask in his loud voice to bring his tea and paper into the drawing room. She felt very uncomfortable in his presence. Next question. Give in brief the message of the story The Little Girl. What is the message of the story The Little Girl? Let's see the answer. Appearances can be deceptive. Don't judge a book by its cover, as it is said. Kezia's father looked like a cruel giant to her. She trembled and stuttered in his presence. His harsh words made her curse her fate. However, she later on found that her father was not devoid of tender human feelings. Beneath his rough exterior was hidden his deep love and affection for his daughter. Next question. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? अब ऐसा हुआ तो क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ? She stitched cotton cloth three sides. and looked for the things that could be stuffed into the stitched cloth. Soon she found out many sheets of paper. Actually, they contained her father's speech for the port authority. She tore them into pieces and stuffed her case. Next day, when her father looked out for the papers, he did not find them. Now, short answer questions. The very first question that we have, what did she stuff it with? It is being asked about the gift in question. Why was the stuffing very important for her father? Did she know that it was important? Let's see the answer. Kezia found some sheets of paper in her father's bedroom. She tore them into pieces. She stuffed the pin cushion with those pieces. The stuffing was very important for her father. An important speech was written on those papers, but the little girl did not know about it. Let's see the next question. Kezia looked through a hole in the fence into Mr. MacDonald's garden. What did she see? Kezia saw that Mr. MacDonald was playing with his children. They were running around the flower beds. Baby Mao was on his shoulders. The two little girls were hanging on to his coat pockets. They were very happy. Next question that we have, describe the departure of Kezia's father for his office. How did he go to his office? कैसे जाते थे वो? Kezia's father went to the office early in the morning. Before going, he went to Kezia's room. He gave her a kiss. She said goodbye to her father. Next question. What made Kezia's father punish her? Was he right to do so? ऐसा क्या हुआ कि केजिया के फादर ने उसको पनिश किया? क्या वो सही थे? Kezia's father had written a speech on some papers. Kezia had made a pin cushion for her father's birthday. She needed papers to stuff the pin cushion and put them into the cushion. Next question. Why did the little girl start making the pin cushion? आखिर क्यों बनाना शुरू किया उसने? केजिया ने पिन कुशन क्यों बनाना शुरू किया? किसने बोला? One day Kezia was suffering from cold. She was kept indoors. Her father's birthday was next week. Her grandmother suggested that she should present a pin cushion to her father. So she started making the pin cushion. Now, very short answer questions. Here, we'll discuss about very short answer questions related to the little girl. The very first question, why was there a hue and cry in the house? घर में हंगामा क्यों मचा हुआ था उस दिन? There was a hue and cry in the house because the father's great speech for the Port Authority had been lost. Give the meaning of a figure to be feared. What is the meaning of a figure to be feared? A person to be feared, to be afraid of. What was her father's daily routine after coming from the office? Answer. After coming from the office in the evening, he cried loudly for tea and newspaper.